Now that we've minted our NFT on a marketplace, let's connect this back to the Unity game. So I'm going to go back to my Unity game, go to my prefab scripts, and replace these values. So back here in the marketplace, I'm going to scroll down to details and replace the values. The chain is going to be the same, Ethereum. Network is going to be the same. Contract is 0888B, 0888B, that stays the same. The account we're going to replace with a special variable called player prefs.getString. And its account. So this will be the account that you get when you sign into your MetaMask or wallet account. And lastly, the token ID. So the token ID here will change. I'm going to get it here, paste. And just like that, the game is connected to this specific NFT. So next, I'm going to build out the game and give it a play.